8 Tip: How to lose weight fast on keto. Are you looking for ways to lose weight fast on keto? Do you wonder how some people have fast weight loss when they start the ketogenic diet? If you are new to keto or have done keto for a while, most likely, you started it for weight loss. Mainly because you heard of someone or saw someone who had fast weight loss using keto. Now, I have to preface by saying, keto is not a quick fix. There is no magic pill or formula, however, there are a few tips and tricks you can follow that will help you lose weight faster on keto. You should always consult with your physician before starting a diet or lifestyle change. I am not saying that all of these will guarantee you quick results. These tips are things that I have tried over the 3+ years of following the ketogenic diet that have helped me lose weight faster when I committed to all of them. Some of these you may already know, but if you combine all of these together, you will most likely see results much quicker than if you didn't do them. Okay, let's get started. Top tips to help you lose weight fast on keto. 1. Figure out your personal macros and track them. Calculating your personal macros helps you determine exactly how many calories you should be eating per day. It also tells you how many grams of carbs, protein and fat you should be consuming to achieve weight loss. I wrote an entire post on what are macros and how to calculate them, and you can read that and then use one of the free calculators to figure out your exact numbers. You will want to make sure that you specify that your goal is to lose weight, so the calculator gives you a calorie deficit. Then you would take those numbers and plug them into MyFitnessPal so you can track what you are eating every day. Tracking your food will require you to have a food scale and measure your food out, but eventually, you will get the hang of it, and if you consume the same meals, you won't have to measure everything all the time. The reason this works so well is that it's keeping you on track, so you are not going over your calories and macronutrients each week. Naturally, you will lose weight if you track and don't overeat or go over your numbers. 2. Eat within a 6-8 hour window, also known as intermittent fasting. Eating within a 6 to 8 window allows your body to take a break from digesting food, increases HCG, growth hormone, which leads to higher fat burn and enables you to consume less calories, which equals fast weight loss. The best way to figure out your eating window is to assess your lifestyle and make it work for you. You don't need to make this harder on yourself than it needs to be. Here are some questions you should ask yourself. When am I most busy throughout the day that if I don't eat, it won't matter? When am I most hungry that if I don't eat I get hangry and want to eat the house? Am I hungry when I wake up? Is having dinner with my family a requirement? Based on the answers to those questions, you can set your eating window. Remember, it doesn't have to be exactly the same every single day, but I recommend you do this at least Monday to Friday. So for example, I am usually not hungry when I wake up. I get hungry around noon after my workout. So my eating window would start at 12 p.m. and go to 6 p.m. On the other hand, if my husband says he will be home from work earlier on a certain day, I will wait to start my eating window to make sure that I can have dinner with him. If you have a very physical job, you will probably want to make your eating window earlier, so you can perform well. If you usually get hungry around evening time, start your eating window later in the day. The point is, make it work for you. However, be strict. Once that window is over, do not eat anything until the next day and start the cycle over again. 3. Do not consume dairy or any sweeteners. Dairy is very inflammatory. Eating it can cause you to retain water, bloat, and carry extra weight around that is preventing you from reaching your weight loss goal. Even if you aren't lactose intolerant, too much dairy can cause you to feel gassy and have a belly. Trust me, I love cheese and I am not saying you have to give it up forever. However, if you are trying to reach a certain weight by your vacation or big event, cut the dairy out immediately. Same goes for sweeteners. Many sweeteners cause gastric distress, inflammation, and may lead you to crave sugary foods. Do you ever find yourself wanting more sweet things after you eat a keto dessert or treat? That is because your brain is being tricked that you are consuming sugar when you are really not, and it wants more. In order to stop that vicious cycle, you need to stop consuming sweeteners and all products with sweeteners. This way of eating is called clean keto, and you can read about my experience with switching to clean keto in this post. 4. Follow a keto meal plan from a trusted source. I am not talking about the 28-day keto challenge to help you lose weight fast that you see advertised all over Instagram crap. I am sorry, but that is just a company trying to make money off of you. Either make up your own keto meal plan based on the foods you like to eat, or you can get my Clean Keto Reset meal plan. If you are reading this post when it just came out, my meal plan is 75% off for a few days only. Take advantage of this sale before the price goes back up. I put this meal plan together based on the exact foods I ate for a month after experiencing a weight loss stall. I eliminated dairy, sweeteners, processed foods and artificial ingredients for a month. The result? I lost 15 pounds and felt awesome. I am not trying to pitch you on this meal plan, I am simply saying that following a specific meal plan is helpful because of a few reasons. A. It helps you stay on track. The meal plan tells you exactly what to eat, when to eat it, and how much to eat. My meal plan already has all of the macronutrient information calculated for you, all the recipes and shopping lists. All you need to do is make the food and eat it. B. Investing in something helps you stick through it and finish. Think about this one. Would you buy something at the store that you knew you would never use, just for the heck of it? Probably not. That doesn't make sense. The same principle goes for buying a meal plan. When you purchase it, you are invested in it and more apt to follow it than if you got a free crappy keto meal plan off the internet somewhere. It's basic human psychology. Invest in yourself and follow through. 5. Exercise, exercise, exercise. Keto and exercise go together better than peanut butter and chocolate, not jelly, EW. When you work out, you are increasing that growth hormone HCG, which helps your body burn more fat. On top of that, you are burning through your glucose faster, which helps you get into ketosis and stay there, which results in faster weight loss. Not to mention, the obvious, working out burns calories, burning calories equals weight loss. This is pretty basic stuff, guys. So, if you have never worked out in your life, even starting with daily walks will help. Then you can work up to jogging around your block, or you can take some workout classes. I am a busy stay-at-home mom, so I can only work out from home. I have been using Beachbody on demand for decades to do home workouts that have helped me get toned and lose weight faster. Some of them don't even require any equipment. You can give them a try for 2 weeks by clicking this link. There are programs that are as short as 20 minutes a day. That is nothing. You can totally find 20 minutes a day to work out. You'll feel so much better, I promise. 6. Track total carbs, not net carbs. Tracking total carbs allows you to know for sure, 100% how many carbs you are ingesting. There is no guesswork as to how and if your body is processing the amount of fiber that the label says. Labels can be deceiving, and trust me, food companies leave ingredients out all the time. When you calculate net carbs, you are subtracting the total carbs from the amount of fiber in that food. However, there is no way to know how precise that is. Doing this may also lead you to accidentally eat more carbs than you should and take you longer to get into nutritional ketosis and get the results you want. Trust me, I learned this the hard way. When I started keto, I tracked net carbs. My weight loss was so slow, I was starting to get discouraged. I decided to lower my carbs by consuming 20 to 30 grams of total carbs per day, and guess what? I started losing weight consistently. Just one little switch did that. 7. Stop eating between meals or snacking. I don't know what the obsession with snacking is, but if you are trying to lose weight fast on keto, you need to stop with the snacking and grazing. You are not a cow. Snacking on keto can be dangerous because most keto snack foods are highly caloric, i.e. cheese and nuts. Adding those to your already high-fat meals will not promote fast weight loss. You don't need to snack, eat when you are hungry and drink water when you get the urge to eat something. I don't know why we are still so obsessed with eating 6 small meals a day, or even 3 meals a day for that matter. Listen to your body. Most likely, it doesn't need you to eat so much. It wants a break. Give your digestive system a break once in a while. I would recommend you eat 3 meals a day and then take it to 2, and then try going OMAD, 1 meal a day. There are many benefits to eating this way, fast weight loss being one of them. Don't eat anything in between those meals. 8. Drink water like it's your day job. My last tip may sound basic, but it's a big deal. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps you differentiate real hunger from current cravings, helps your body flush out toxins and stay regulated, and helps decrease appetite. Before you sit down to eat your meal, drink lots of water. Doing so will naturally lead you to eating less food. Also, when you get cravings for something sweet or salty, try chugging water first, wait 15 minutes and see if you still have that craving. You will be surprised how often your cravings go away, which means you were just dehydrated. Drinking enough water also helps your body eliminate water from bloat. It sounds counterproductive, but it works. After giving birth to both of my girls, I was so bloated, I couldn't see my ankles. It was bad. I wish I still had a picture to show you. I called my midwife because I was starting to get concerned. She told me to drink water constantly. I thought, but my body is already retaining all of that water and you want me to drink more? I did it anyway, and within a few days I woke up 15 pounds water, and lo and behold, there were my ankles. In conclusion, I believe if you implement the above steps you will see significant weight loss on your ketogenic journey. In fact, I challenge you and myself to start implementing these tips starting tomorrow. I am serious, let's do it. I'm totally in. I'm going to practice what I preach because, hey, summer is coming and I see some wobbly bits hanging out as I type this post I'd like to get rid of before bikini season. Are you with me? Comment below to tell me if you're in and let me know how these tips worked for you.